Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I want to ask my friend about the importance memorizing the Quran and Hadith. Okay, so let's just. Can you guys introduce yourself? Start with me.
My name is Java and I'm from Pasangkali.
What about you?
My name is Arif and I'm from Tal.
Okay, Tafa, I want to ask you, what do you think about Quran?
I think Quran is an Islamic book for guiding Muslim people from overworld to paradise.
Okay. What the advantage Quran?
That contains Quran. If you're reciting the Quran, the reward from you reciting the Quran will arrive on the last day and will help who usually reciting Al Quran. And if you memorizing Al Quran, your parents will arrive in hereafter with a crown on the head, and the crown is brighter than the sun.
When you reciting Quran, what do you feel?
I feel if I reciting the Quran is relaxed and happy.
That's good. Okay, Adi. What do you think about Hadith?
I think hadith is the word of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Okay, give me one Hadith you know.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Salabul ilmi faridatul ala kulli muslimin wa muslimah. The meaning is knowledge is obligation for every Muslim.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so the conclusion is, even though Quran and Hadith is different, but there are have a relation because there are guidance Muslims. I think that's all, and thanks for watching. And then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.